The Lake Isle of Innisfree by W.B. Yeats. I will arise and go now, and go to Innisfree, and a small cabin build there, of clay and wattles made. 9 bean rows will I have there, a hive for the honey bee, and live alone in the bee loud glade. Some difficult words with their meanings. Arise, to stand up. Cabin is a home. Wattles is a material used for making fences, walls, etc., consisting of rods or stakes interlaced with twigs or branches. Glade is an open space in the forest where there are no trees, and bee loud glade refers to a peaceful, natural open space like a clearing in the forest where the sound of buzzing bees is prominent. These are the images of cabin and wattles with which the speaker told that he wants to build his own cabin on the island of Innisfree. Now the explanation. The poem is a desire to escape the stresses of city life and find solace in the embrace of nature. William Butler Yeats expresses a deep yearning for the peace and tranquility of nature in contrast to the noise and chaos of urban life. We all know our city life is very busy, full of hustle and bustle, and we don't have time to appreciate the beauty of nature. The poem depicts the speaker's desire to retreat to the idyllic island of Innisfree. It was a real place in Ireland where Yeats spent his childhood summers. The speaker wishes to build a simple cabin of clay and wattles. He wants to grow beans for his own survival, and he wants to keep a beehive, and he wants to live alone on Innisfree. वे अकेले रहना चाहते हैं, Innisfree के आइलैंड पे अकेले रहना चाहते हैं, और पेड़ की ब्रांचेस को आपस में बुनकर वे अपना केबिन बनाना चाहते हैं ताकि वे Innisfree की आइलैंड पर अकेले रह सकें। और अकेले रहते हुए अपने भोजन के लिए पोएट जो है वो बीन्स को खुद ही ग्रो करना चाहते हैं और बीहाइव भी रखना चाहते हैं। This shows that he has a desire to lead a very simple and solitary life far away from the city and city chaos in the lap of nature. He wants to grow his own food and enjoy whatever nature has to offer in Innisfree. He wants to live basically a very peaceful, natural life in the open space filled with the buzzing of bees. This desire highlights a longing for simpler, more self-sufficient and harmonious way of life connected to the natural world. Innisfree is not just a physical place. Yes, Innisfree एक island ही नहीं है, but it also represents the ideal state of the mind of the speaker. स्पीकर क्या पाना चाहते हैं Innisfree उसका भी एक सिंबल है. स्पीकर शांति ढूंढ रहे हैं, शहर के जीवन से दूर नेचर की लैप में एक शांत जीवन की कामना कर रहे हैं, तो Innisfree उसका भी एक सिंबल है, उसको भी रिप्रेजेंट करता है Innisfree. दिस इज द हिंदी एक्सप्लेनेशन. स्पीकर मिट्टी और वेटल से अपना केबिन बनाना चाहते हैं, साधारण जीवन बिताना चाहते हैं, फलियां उगाना चाहते हैं, मधुमक्खी का छत्ता भी रखना चाहते हैं और मधुमक्खियों की आवाज से भरे हुए वातावरण में जीवन अकेले व्यतीत करना चाहते हैं, यानी कि वे टोटली नेचर के पास शहर से दूर जीवन एकांत में जीने की इच्छा प्रकट कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू.